if you really want to know, with my massive subscriber list. What's up, everyone? So, different video from what I usually do. I am clearly inside. I'm not by my car. My car was vandalized a week ago. And this person, I don't know if I can really speak on much of it because it's an active investigation. But from what I know, this person did vandalize other vehicles in my neighborhood. Mine happened to be the lucky few that were damaged. This person front kicked my vehicle multiple times. The entire side of the car needs to be repainted and dents fixed and all that stuff. Pretty awful stuff. And originally, I thought it was because of my YouTube fame. You know, as of this video, I have 162 subscribers. No, but all jokes aside, I appreciate everyone who's watching this video, who's watching my channel, who's subscribed to my channel, liking my videos. I really appreciate y'all. I'm just a regular guy trying to do stuff that I enjoy and share with the rest of the world. So again, I appreciate you guys for watching my channel. But back to the story. So the person was arrested. I don't know what else I could divulge. I really don't have much information anyway. I am able to get it covered through insurance, so I have to pay my deductible. My thing is, I have to pay $500 for something I didn't do. And it's not fair, you know, but some people will be like, oh, life's not fair, blah, blah, blah. It's not, but, you know, it just sucks because $500 could have been used towards feeding my family, you know. Let's be real. I mean, we all have a family. Some of you watching does have a family, and that's why you enjoy watching my channel. But it's, in the grand scheme of things, it's $2,300 worth of damage. They have to remove some panels to fix dents and repaint the entire side of the car. And as you're watching this video, I still don't have a estimated turnaround time. But on another level, that's just material stuff. And I'm not mad at the person who did this. I don't know this person personally. So I just feel like I shouldn't, I don't know why I'm not mad, okay? I think I'm mad that I'm not mad, but you know, there's a quote that I think a lot of people can live by, or maybe this might change your life. So if it does, let me know in the comments. But I can't change how people or what people do to me, but I can change how I react to it. So someone ruined my car, and I'm not mad. Anyway, another way to look at it too, because life is all about perspective, and personally, is I was supposed to go to Cars and Coffee about an hour away that morning, and this kept me from going to Cars and Coffee. Maybe something would have happened to me on the way down. Weird. So I try to be a little bit more positive in that sense. So I'll give you guys an update when I get an update, if you really want to know, with my massive subscriber list. Again, I really appreciate everyone who's watching my channel, really enjoying these videos. So I hope to link up with other Stinger owners in the meantime while my car's in the shop. I'm currently driving a rental Dodge Charger V6.
My initial thoughts on this interior, it's like being in a truck. I'm not into it, man, but they got these plush seats that look like, you know, seats that your grandma was sitting in at her house.
Don't recommend it.
I don't know. Material's kind of doogie.
Hey, whatever. Insurance is covering that per day. So,
but then again, it is a rental.
Again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate everyone who subscribed to my channel, liking my videos. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next few videos, and I'll see what we can do. Appreciate it. Peace.